Today we'll show you how to use Google Ads to promote Clickbank products effectively. Let's get started. Log into your Clickbank account and select a product you want to promote. Look for products with high gravity scores and good commission rates. Click on Promote to generate your unique affiliate link. If you don't have one, create a Google Ads account on ads.google.com. Click on New Campaign and select your campaign goal, such as sales or leads. Select Search Network or Display Network based on your marketing strategy. Set demographics, interests, and behaviors to target the right audience for a Clickbank product. Determine your daily budget and bidding strategy. Organize your ad groups around specific themes and use relevant keywords. Create engaging ad copy that highlights the benefits of the product and includes a strong call to action. Promoting Clickbank products with Google Ads can be a powerful way to drive traffic and increase your earnings. Remember to monitor your campaigns and optimize them for the best results. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.